All right, so in that last video, we talked about what the square root of -1 was, or where I was located, what it looked like. So now let's talk about what happens when we take powers of I. Now, if you notice, when we multiplied by that I thing, it caused this rotation type of thing to happen. So I to the first would be if I just took one rotation from 1, that quarter rotation to I. So that's just going to be I, because if there's only one I, it only happened once, it's right there. And I'm going to actually change that because it looks like a J and I feel weird about it. So we're just going to do that. I. All right, what if we do it twice? Where do we end up? We end up at -1. So I squared is really -1. Well, what if we do it 3 times? Well, now we're at -I. That's not an I. There we go. All right, what if we do it, in fact, we do it 4 times? Where are we back at? You're back at 1. So if we went 5 times then, so if we did I to the 5th, that would be I to the 5th. Where are we at? Well, we're back at I. Notice that we don't need an exponent. All right, so on this next piece, I want you to take each of these exponents and figure out where you landed. If you rotated a quarter turn 14 times, where would you land? If you rotated a quarter turn 31 times, where would you land? Your options are either 1, I, -1, or -I. Those are your only 4 options. You're not going to land anywhere else. It's not spiraling out. It's staying on that same rotation. All right? You've got this.